Your air filter works hard to protect your engine from dirt and debris. And if you don't stay up on this maintenance item, you're going to have a lot of expenses and a lot of downtime. So to prevent that, you want to stay up on that maintenance interval, and that's going to be after your first month of owning one of these machines, and then every 25 hours or 12 months thereafter. So it's something that's simple to do. We're going to show you how to inspect and replace that air filter. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First, you need to remove your seats. So on the 4-seater, you have a latch behind the headrests. Now on the 2-seaters, you have a latch beneath the seat. Now you need to remove this upper panel, and you've got 4 clips holding it in place. You're just going to turn those a quarter turn counterclockwise. They pop right out, and you can pull the panel up and out of the cab. Now we have 7 clamps on the filter cover we need to undo. We're going to pull the cover backwards and up. With that out of the way, we can remove our air filter. This is just going to pull straight off. And you want to inspect this. If this thing is caked in dirt, or if there's any damage or signs of oil on this, you definitely want to get it replaced. And if you're not sure, I would rather be on the safe side and get it replaced than to run a filter that is damaged or dirty. Now, before you install your new air filter, you want to clean out the air box. So we're installing a clean rag into the intake tube, and we're going to wipe the box out. Don't forget to remove the rags from the intake tube. A pro tip for you guys, you can put just a thin film of grease around this rubber ring to make sure you get the best seal on your air filter. With everything clean, you can go ahead and install your new air filter. Make sure it's pushed on all the way. Now to install the cover, you need to make sure the air filter is pushed on all the way so this tab sits behind it. You also want to make sure the seal on the cover is in good condition. Then we can set these tabs in the bottom in place and then reinstall the clips. Once you've done that, you can reinstall your access panel and your seats. That's all there is to replacing your air filter on your Polaris RZR Pro R. If you need one of these filters, you can click the link in the description below or just find it on the OEM diagrams on our site. Now, if you have any questions about the process, leave those down in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.